Now let us discuss about coin change problem using dynamic programming. Let's see the example. Here the coins are 1, 3, 5 are given. We can use the same coin infinite number of times. So we can use 1 several times, infinite number of times. Likewise, we can use 3 coin infinite number of times. So here the amount is 8. Here our target is in how many number of ways we can make the amount 8 with the help of 1, 3, 5 coins. So here the problem is find the total number of ways. Let us see the solutions. So with the help of 1, so we can use this 1 coin 8 times. So we will get total of 8. Next second solution is we can use 1 coin 5 times and 3 coin 1 time. So 5 plus 3 means 8. Next solution is we can use 3 coin 2 times and 1 coin 2 times. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8. Next we can use 5 coin 1 time, 1 coin 3 times. So 5 plus 3 8. Next one more solution. So we can use 5 coin 1 time and 3 coin 1 time. So here how many ways are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are totally 5 ways. So let us solve the problem. Here for that we are constructing a matrix or table. Here this column represents total. Total is nothing but amount. So here what is the amount? 8 is the amount. So here dynamic programming means we can't solve the problem as a whole. We have to solve the problems by dividing them, sub-problems. So 0 is one sub-problem, 1 is one sub-problem likewise. So here the column numbers are from 0 to 8. 0 to 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise. Whereas the column numbers are these coins. So 1, 3, 5. So first we have to take 0 coin. So before 1 we have to take the 0 coin. So this is for base condition. Okay. So here these are the coins. These are the coins. So here the matrix name is T. T is the matrix name. Here let us fill the table. So here we have coin as 0. Total is 0. So we have to make total 0 with how many 0 coins? 1 0 coin. With 1 0 coin we can make a total of 0. Next. Here the coins are 0, whereas total is 1. So is it possible to make a total of 1 with 0 coin? No, it is not possible. So 0 number of ways. Next the total is 2. So it is not possible. So 0 number of ways. 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 Next. Here the coin number is 1, whereas the amount is 0. Coin number is 1, whereas amount is 0. So is it possible? No, it is not possible. With 1 rupee coin, it is not possible to make 0. So that's why here we have a condition. If row greater than column, then copy the value from the above. Here what is the row value? 1, whereas the column value is 0. So 1 greater than 0, condition is true. So it is not possible to make the total of 0 from the 1 coin. So simply we have to copy the above value. So copy the above value. Next 1 1. So row value 1, column value 1. So 1 greater than 1, condition is false. So let us use these 3 rules. So first rule is exclude the new coin. So here what is the new coin? This 1 is the new coin. So we have to exclude this 1. Next, second step, include the new coin. So that means we have to include this 1 also. Next to third step, add 1 and 2. So let us see that. So what is the first step? Exclude the new coin. So that means we have to consider only this coin only, this 0 only, 0 coin only. So here, what is the total here? So here, if we exclude the new coin, so what is the above value? 0 is the above value. So let us copy that. Next, include the new coin. So we have to include this coin now. So for that, here what is the total? 1 is the total, whereas the coin is 1. So 1 minus 1 means 0. So in the same row, go to the 0th column. So 0th column means in how many ways we can arrange? 1 way. So 0 plus 1 means 1. Next one. So what is the first rule? Exclude the new coin. So that means we have to copy the above value. So 0 plus. Next, include the new coin. So we have to include this one. So here the column number is 2. So 2 minus 1 means 1. So in the same row, so we can arrange 1 in one way. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So likewise here, every cell in the row is 1 only. Every cell in the row is 1 only. Okay. So if you see here the coin is 1, total is 1. So we can make a total of 1 using 1 rupee coin in one way. Next, the coin is 1, whereas the total is 2. So how to make 2 using 1 coin? 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 means we will write 1 only. Next here the coin is 1, total is 3. So in 1 comma 1 comma 1. So with 3 coins we can write. So 3 ones means we can write here single 1 only. Okay. Next, here coin is 3, whereas the total is 0. 3 greater than 0. Condition is true. So copy the above value. 3 greater than 1. Condition is true. Copy the above value. 3 greater than 2. Condition is true. Copy the above value. 3. Condition is false. So what is the first rule? Exclude the new coin. So this is the new coin. So exclude this. So that means we have to copy the previous one. So now we have to consider 0 and 1. So what is the previous above cell value? 1. So 1 plus. What is the second rule? Include the new coin. That means we have to consider this column number, this total. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 means 0. So in the same row, so 0 is arranged in one way. So 1 plus 1 means 2. Next, exclude the new coin. So that means above value. So 1 plus, include the new coin. Here what is the column number? 4. 4 minus 3 means 1. So in the same row, go to the 1 column. So in one way we can arrange. So 1 plus 1 means 2. Next, exclude the new coin. So that means copy the above value. 1 plus, include the new coin. That means 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means 2. So in the same row, go to the 2 column and we can arrange in one way. So 1 plus 1 means 2. Next, exclude the new coin. So 1 plus above cell value. 1 plus, include the new coin. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 means 3. So in the same row, 3 can be arranged in two ways. So 1 plus 2 means 3. Next one, exclude the new coin. That means copy the above value. Next, include the new coin. So 7 minus 3 means 4. So in the same row, 4 can be arranged in two ways. So 1 plus 2 means 3. Next, exclude the new coin. Copy the above value. Next, include the new coin. 8 minus 3 means 5. In the same row, 5 can be arranged in two ways. So 1 plus 2 means 3. 8 minus 3, 5, yeah. Next, 5 greater than 0, true, copy. 5 greater than 1, true, copy the above value. 5 greater than 2, copy the above value. 5 greater than 3, true, copy the above value. Here the above value is 2. 5 greater than 4, copy the above value. Next to 5, equal. So, follow these 3 rules. First, exclude the new coin. That means copy the above value. 2 plus, include the new coin. That means we can include 0, 1, 3. So, here what is the total? 5. 5 minus 5 means 0. So, in the same row, 0 can be arranged in one way. So, 2 plus 1 means 3. Next, 3, copy the above value. Next, include the new coin. So, 6 minus 5 means 1. So, in the same row, 1 can be arranged in one way. So, 3 plus 1 means 4. Next, exclude the new coin. Next, include the new coin. That means 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 means 2. In the same row, 2 can be arranged in one way. 3 plus 1 means 4. Next, exclude the new coin. That means copy the above value. 3 plus, include the new coin. So 8 minus 5 means 3. So in the same row, 3 can be arranged in two ways. So 3 plus 2 means 5. So we can say that 8 can be arranged with the help of 135 in how many ways? 5 ways. So this is the solution. Now let's see the algorithm or code for solving this problem. Here this is a matrix. In order to perform operations on the matrix, we are using 2 for loops. So first for loop, In order to perform operations on the row, we are using a variable called I, whereas to perform operations on the column, we are using a variable called j. So first for loop, for I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to coins dot length. So coins dot length will give the total number of coins. Here how many coins are there? 3 coins are there. So 0 less than or equal to 3. In the first iteration, 0 less than or equal to 3. Next iteration, 1 less than or equal to 3, 2 less than or equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 3. So here additionally we have is equal 0 also. That's why here is equal to is written. Okay. Next. So here the row means coins. Next columns operation. So for j is equal to 0, j less than total, or we can write as j less than or equal to total. Total or this amount. So here what is the amount here? G8. So from 0 to 8 it will be proceed. So here row means coins, whereas columns means total amount. Next, let's see the first condition. If I double equal to 0 and j double equal to 0, this is the base condition, termination condition. If I value is 0, j value is 0, then here the matrix name is T, T of ij equal to 1. So store 1 here. Else, if coins of I greater than j, that means if row greater than column, then what we are doing, we are copying the above value. So let us assume that here the row number is 2, whereas the column number is this 0. Let us consider this cell. So here what is the row number? 2. So coins of 2. What is coins of 2? It will give 3. 3 is the coin. So 3 is greater than, here what is the column number? 0. 3 greater than 0. Yes, condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to copy the above value. So here what is I value? 2. So how to get 1? I minus 1. So 2 minus 1 means 1. So this is 1 0 value. So here T of ij equal to T of I minus 1. So we are subtracting 1 from I. So here I is 2. So for the above value, what we are doing? So T of I minus 1, there is no change in j. There is no change in j. Same column only. Okay. Else. So else block means we have to follow these 3 steps. Let us consider this coin. So what is the first step? Exclude the new coin. Exclude the new coin means let us consider this cell. So we have to copy the above value. So copying above value means just like this statement only. So T of I minus 1j. So T of I minus 1j. Next for this cell. So here what is the column number? 3. So 3 minus, here what is this number? Coin number 3. So 3 minus 3 means 0. So for that here T of for including the new coin, I value is same only. So same row. But here let us see the second subscript, j minus. So this j value means this 3. So 3 minus, here we need this coins, this number. So coins of I. So j minus coins of I. So it will give, so what is I value? Same row only, same row. So second row only, but j value is 3, whereas that coins is 3. So 3 minus 3 means 0. So what is T of 2 0 1? So 1 plus 1 means 2. So likewise we can easily write the program. So this is about coin change problem using dynamic programming. So this is about finding the total number of ways. In how many ways